Did you ever notice this hilarious detail in How to Train Your Dragon? We know Toothless likes drawing as a hobby. He even drew the Light Fury in the third movie. But listen closely to Hiccup's reaction.
Oh, now you can draw.
Hiccup says this because Toothless actually started drawing back in the first movie. What looked like random lines was actually Toothless drawing Hiccup. You can tell it's supposed to be Hiccup based on how Toothless keeps looking back and forth between him and the drawing, copying his appearance as he sketches. Here's the crazy part. If you color in Toothless's drawing, you can actually make out what each part represents. By the third movie, Toothless definitely got better at drawing, or maybe he was just trolling Hiccup the first time.